Here we are. This is the electrical lab at West Covina, UEI West Covina campus. Last Friday, April 19, 2019, we got the inspection from the Department of Industrial Relationship from Sacramento, and we were approved. So I want to show you the lab in regards to the electrical motor controls. This one, over here, we have a delay time relay that is emulating controlling two different electrical motors at different time. This relay could apply a delay from several seconds to several hours. So turning on an electrical motor, off the other one, and so on. And we have a counter. And this lab was approved immediately after the inspector was checking. The second one, lab for control electrical motors, right here we are using a triad. The triad split a circuit in a low ampere circuit and high ampere circuit. This triad, the Q4040K7, is able to control an electrical motor up to 40 amperes. And in the low ampere circuit, is able to deal with several milliamperes. So when I turn it on, the electrical motor starts working. Of course, I am using this electrical motor, but it could be a three-phases electrical motor up to 40 amps. Okay, and right here we have a different relay. This is a regular relay, but we have a relay that apply two different delays, 20-second and 40-second delays. And this type of relay is, I can apply different delays, on delays, depending on my needs. Okay, and this one is a very simple circuit. Okay. And right here, we have another labs that were approved. And on this lab, we are going to be teaching the student how the AC is converted into DC. Okay, and the oscilloscope is used to show them the incoming waveform, which is AC, and the outcoming after the rectification is done, which is DC. And right here on this, we are using this lab to test diode centers, to show and teach the student how to test diode center. And right here is another triad, but this triad split the circuits, the control circuit in two, low voltage and high voltage. And the low voltage, this NAND gate is able to activate the triad using 5 volts, and the triad at the secondary part of the circuit is able to control up to 800 volts AC. And finally, this lab is to teach the student how to test logic circuits. That section was approved. And then we have over here the industrial motors. Okay. This is right here, the student will be learning how to connect and install a three-phases electrical motor, a single-phase electrical motor. Additionally, they will be learning how to calculate the proper starter for the electrical motor based on the horsepower, the full amps, and also if it is three-phases or single-phase. Okay. And right here, the student will be learning how to connect transformers. This is a single phase, 120 volts, 12 volts, 60 amperes, a transformer, a step down. And over here, we have a 220 volts, three phases, 24 volts, single phase on the secondary, step down transformers. And on this section, the student will be learning how to electrify, how to wiring a residential house, and calculating the proper circuit breakers, the proper type of wires, and the cables, the conductor size. And on that section over there will be the industrial. Over here, they will be learning how to wiring a commercial or a business. Okay? And over here, the student will be learning how to set up a proper grounding system. Okay? And this lab was already approved last Friday, as I told you, by the inspector sent by Sacramento, California. Thank you.